Here's, I think, the crux of our issue is we don't understand or see ourselves as a colony of America. Like these other places, we are a function of American imperialism. We're not in America. We're in the black colony that America owns. And in the 60s, you metaphorically or analogies, because I always get them confused. I saw say metaphorically. We were a colony fighting for independence. So that was the mentality of that emerging uh, generation, independence. Just like Vietnam or Mozambique or the brothers in Zimbabwe or South Africa. Same issue. You could literally say this black in America is a variation of those movements. As a matter of fact, we saw ourselves as the same as those movements, aligned with those movements. So that's who we were too. Um, but we never had the revolutionary overthrow because we used to talk in those terms. Okay, so it's not so for me now. Looking back, it's not that it wasn't so much that literally what you did, but how you talked and thought about it was really what was the foundation of what guided how you acted or interacted with the larger system. And those uh, places, those colonies who actually won their independence through armed resistance took one road. But the colonies that didn't get quite get to that level, and I think South Africa is a classic example of given its condition now. Uh, they got trapped by neo-colonialism, where the imperial power backs off from overt uh, oppression and goes for subliminal subordination. And so it lets a native ruling class emerge with privileges and basically educated uh, by them for their benefit. So